Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber, and as you can see by the title, I'm just like, I'm so happy. Yay! Oh my god. I absolutely cannot believe I reached 300,000 subscribers. Like, that's a lot. That's so much. I just can't. Wow, it's every time I think about it, I'm just like, what? It happened a couple days ago, but I'm just now making the video, but I'm still in shock. Like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. So thank you so much. That's why I want to do this video, just to say thank you to you guys, because it's all because of you, to be honest. Like, you guys watch my videos, okay, I make the videos, it's a lot of work, not gonna lie. It's a lot of work. You don't know how much work I put into this, but still, you are the ones that are constantly tuning into my videos, commenting, subscribing, sharing my videos. Like, I appreciate that so freaking much. I love you guys so much. So thank you, and I hope you guys will stick with me till I have 1 million subscribers. I hope that will happen. But I'm not, watching like the subscriber count or the numbers or the views go up all the time. I just make sure I focus on making great content, so I can be consistent, because sometimes the consistency is a problem because life happens, what's up. So yeah, I just focus on making great content for you guys and listening to you guys' feedback, what you guys like to see and want to see and whatnot. So I really hope that this channel is like entertaining, but I think so, because 300,000 subscribers, like, what's up? So that's, I think, a good sign that I'm doing a good job. So yeah, I will keep doing my best for you guys and for myself, and to prove myself, and to work as hard as I can to make this dream possible of, just creating content, doing what I love, and doing even bigger things beyond all of this, okay? And I hope you guys will always be a part of this, so you guys, can grow with me in this journey and in life, and, because there are great things coming up. I cannot tell you guys right now. Something's cool coming up. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. So what's in store for my channel right now? I'm trying to do 4 videos a week. I had oh my gosh, I struggled so much past weeks, because there was a week when I was sick, and then that was a very important week because I was planning to film so much content that week, so that didn't happen. And I was like, my whole planning was in shambles. I had to reorganize everything. I had to rethink about some stuff. Because my plan was initially to do 4 videos a week, but yeah, now that's messed up, because that's a lot of work. 4 videos a week, that's a lot. But I was dedicated, but because I felt sick, I was like, I don't know, like, I don't know, I need to be careful, not to do too much to get burnt out, because that can happen real fast. Mental health is also important. I don't want to be like too invested in making videos all the time, like blah 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 blah. No. I need to make sure that I take my time to still be creative, and to make sure that not everything is rushed. So my plan is now to just stick again with 3 videos a week, not 4 videos a week, because that was my plan, but it didn't work out. And I'm actually happy it didn't, because it would have been rushed anyways, okay? So sorry for the false hope that I gave you guys. I was like, yeah, 4 videos a week, let's do this, let's get it. But yeah, sorry guys, it's not going to happen. Need to be realistic, okay? So my plan is to upload still Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I think that's a good balance. Just around, I don't know, just in the evening. I don't have a set timing. I just upload in the evening. Okay, that's it. Monday, Wednesday, Friday evening. Okay, definitely going to stick to these I tried videos. I have a few new products here that I really want to try out. I'm like, And also still going to do hair care videos because it is like fall, it's getting colder, and my hair kind of is in need of a break. I need to, you know, recover my hair a little bit. That means protective styling time. Okay, this is the season for me to protective style, fall and winter. Oh my gosh, I love protective styling during these seasons. So definitely stay tuned for some videos about that, okay? And what else? Other than that, some vlogs here and there, random vlogs, and also some boss babe videos and some girl talks, because I love to talk about girly stuff and I just love to talk about being a boss babe, okay? So definitely stay tuned. You guys know, if you're a subscriber, you know these videos are always coming, so. But okay, now, because I didn't want to, you know, make this video like too short or whatever, I asked you guys, for those who follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Okay, because I post every day. I post stories every day. I don't post on my feed like all the time. It's been a while. I need to change that, okay? But I post stories all the time. So if you want to catch up with me in my daily life, just follow me on Instagram and watch my stories, like. Okay. But I asked you guys on Instagram, and you guys could send in some questions because I'm planning to do a little Q&A right now, just real quick, nothing too special. And yeah, I got a few questions. Okay, I got a lot of questions. So I'm just going to pick a few like random ones. It's just a very random Q&A, okay? Because it's been a while, you know. Okay, so first question: do a girl talk. You're like a big sister. That's so cute. But what do I need to talk about? Yeah, that's maybe another question that I need to ask you guys. What do you want to know from me? Like, you know, just about like girl talk stuff. What do you want to know? Let me know down below if you have any ideas, okay? How can I start and grow my own YouTube channel? Girl or guy, I have a whole video, and I will put the videos right here on the screen so you guys can see. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, I made a whole dedicated video, like coming from my heart, on how to start your own YouTube channel and how to be successful on YouTube, okay? Like seriously, I went in on the advice and I give you guys my genuine tips because I want everybody to win. So if you're interested, definitely watch those videos. I will leave them here on the screen. I don't have a question, but I so fucking love you. Heart, 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 heart emoji. That's so cute. You know, these things make me so happy, guys. You have no idea. At what age did you move out on your own? At 18. But officially, like on my own, paying my own bills and all, at 22, like, I don't know, or 23. No, how old was I? I've been living on my own with my boyfriend for 2 years now. So yeah, that's officially like paying my own bills, because when I was 18, I moved out. I went to college in another city, like far away from home. So yeah, I had a dorm room, like I had a mini apartment, a studio apartment, and it's just cat hairs all over my face. Oh my gosh, it's in my lip gloss, girl. So yeah, I was living in a studio apartment for my whole college experience. So yeah, that's kind of moving out, but I didn't pay everything by myself. You know, my mom helped me. Sis, how do you secure that back? Period. Girl, I feel you. Okay, you need to secure the bag. Oh, okay, I see you, sis. No, but the thing is, if you really want to secure the bag, you really need to have a passion, something that you love to do, a hobby, just something that you love doing. For example, you love fashion. I'm just saying something like you love fashion, you love clothing, you follow all the trends. Fashion is your passion. You love just, you know, everything around fashion. Why don't you then maybe start a blog around fashion? Okay. Or why don't you maybe start your own line, clothing line? Okay. You're like, if you have a serious passion about something that you love doing, like if you read about fashion, watch fashion videos, and you have no sense of time, like time flies by, that's a sign that you're like in love with that thing and that you need to do something around that, okay? And you just need to make a plan, like how can I make money off my passion? Like I'm gonna look up some wholesale vendors online that sell clothing or clothing samples so I can try them out at home, because I know the fashion trends, I know what people like, okay? So I need to make sure that my clothing line caters to these type of trends, for example inclusivity or plus size, or I don't know, like comfy clothing or trendy clothing. I don't know a lot about fashion, but you know, you are the expert. You are the expert in your own craft. So make a plan around that, right? That's how you secure the bag, because you're so passionate about doing it. You will do everything to make it work, okay? You will not be demotivated like, oh, okay, this doesn't work out, so yeah, I'm gonna just find something else. No. You will be like, okay, this doesn't work. Maybe I need to look for another solution, right? That's how you will begin to think if you're really serious about your passion, and that's a sign you will secure the bag sometime, okay? I'm not saying that the first try, your first business plan or whatever is going to work. You know, you can fail 10 times, but you know, failing is a lesson. It's not really failing, you lose, whatever, now you have to stop. No, this is a lesson, so you can change your way, your path, the way you do things, the way you organize yourself, and just try something new, you know? That it's all a lesson, it's all part of the process. You know, I failed so many times and it took me several years to secure the bag, so never ever give up, I'm telling you. Ooh, I was on fire for a second. Okay, I'm getting motivated on myself. I need to be a motivational speaker. Do you think it's too late to start an online business? No, not at all. Why it's too late? You can always start. I saw this quote once. I will put it here on the screen, but it's just this extremely powerful quote. Like, the most successful people are billionaires right now, and they started when they were like 35 or whatever. So it's never too late, sis. Just saying. A lot of questions are YouTube related, like how to start a YouTube, how to stay successful. So I really advise you to check out my YouTube videos. My Boss Babe videos where I talk about YouTube. I love all your content, by the way. Continue being yourself and doing you. Thank you so much. Whew, there are so many good questions, but it's like, you know, I don't want to make this Q&A too serious and go into like details or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to stop right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, thank you so much for 300,000 subscribers. I appreciate it so much. And guys, I will see you in my next video.